In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a MetaTrader 5 demo account. It's a straightforward process, and by following along with me, you'll have a brand new demo account set up in just a matter of minutes. To begin, you'll want to open the MetaTrader 5 platform on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll need to download and install the latest version. It's worth keeping an eye on updates as they often include important security and functionality improvements. Once you have MetaTrader 5 open, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the File option in the menu bar. Click on File, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, find and select the option that says Open an Account. This is a crucial step because it's your gateway to setting up a new demo account. Next, you'll be directed to a window where you can select a server for your new account. Here, you'll want to choose MetaQuotes from the list of available options. Once selected, click on the Next button to continue. This step effectively links your demo account with the live trading environment in a practice setting, so you're using real-time data. Moving forward, you'll be offered a choice to open a new demo account. Make sure to select the option that says Open a Demo Account. Then click on Next. This section is important as it configures your account type. Demo accounts are essential for testing strategies without any financial risk. Now, it's time to enter your personal details. This usually includes your name, address, phone number, and email. Be sure to provide accurate information, as some brokers may send you login information or promotional offers. While this is all standard, make sure your details are secure and only shared through the platform. After entering your information, don't forget to check the box that says, I agree to the terms and conditions. It's always a good practice to at least skim through these terms, as they lay out the foundational rules for using the platform and any conditions specific to your demo account. Once you've agreed to the terms and conditions, click Next. You're almost there. Now, the final step. Click on Finish. After you click, the system will generate your new demo account credentials, including a login and password. Make sure to note down these credentials somewhere safe, because you'll need them to access your new demo account. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully reset your MetaTrader 5 demo account. Feel free to explore and test different trading strategies in a risk-free environment. Happy trading, and good luck with your practice sessions.